Hi, Timothy Unker here, and in this video, I want to demonstrate using return to exit from a void type function. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a function prototype. And you'll see I've included my header file and my main. If you haven't done that, obviously do that first. Okay, so I'm going to create a prototype up here for a void function. So I type void, and then Dean's age. I'm actually going to pass an integer into it. You can pass an integer into a void function. It's just not returning anything. And I'm going to say this is a function prototype. It's a little comment there. Okay. And let's create the function down here. So we have this void Dean's age function where we pass in an integer age. And we say if age equals 26, well, then we'll print using the puts function, you are correct. Because I'm going to ask them how old Dean was in season 1 of Supernatural, naturally, of course. And then we have an else statement here, and we can puts you are incorrect. One way I can leave the function, though, is right here. If they choose this path, I can just do return and exit from the function. Okay. All right. So I'm going to move up here, and we're going to declare a variable called age, and I'm going to use a printf statement here, and I'm going to print how old is Dean at the start of Supernatural. And then I'm put a semicolon at the end of that, and I left a space for formatting. And then I'll use scanf, and I'll get an integer in, and I'll set that to the age. I need an ampersand before the age. We'll talk more about pointers later on. And then I'm going to call the Dean's age function, passing in age. And finally, at the end of our main function, I'm going to return 0. Okay. So let's save this and let's see what happens. All right. So I'm going to open up eShell. I'm using Emacs. You can open up a terminal, whatever works. And I'm going to compile. And let's see, the name of the file was return void. Okay. So return void, and I'm going to output, let's just output return underscore void, and let's compile it. Okay, I did forget a semicolon, so let me exit out of here. Let's see, where did I forget it? Probably in the prototype. No, I remembered it there. Right down at this last one. Okay. I like to leave errors in sometimes just to let you know that no one does this perfectly. You're going to make lots of errors as you do this. All right, so now we're going to run this. We've compiled it. We're going to run it. And we say, how old is Dean at the start of Supernatural? Well, if I say 28, that's incorrect. And it says, you are incorrect, right? But if I say 26, it says, you are correct, and it exits the function using that return. So another way to illustrate this is, let me exit out of here. Let me just delete that. And this is going to end the program. So now when I put in 26, after I compile this again, so I'm going to compile and I'll run it again. When I put in 26, it's just going to end. Okay, so it just returned out of that function. Anyways, I hope you found this video interesting. It was just showing you how to return out of a void function, that it is possible. And if you did find it interesting, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications if you haven't done so already. I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.